This video, which is how to make a halo hat block from a pool noodle. Now, I made this up as I went along, so there'll be bits I skipped through. First of all, you need a pool noodle, and I'd already videoed it and realised the camera wasn't working, so it's just a quick rundown. We don't want bits where words are carved in, so find a clean section, cut about a 14-inch length, cut it in half, and then shape it, carve pieces off the end so you get more of a curve. You will need to use a serrated knife. So that's the bit I've shaped, and what I'm going to do is attach string to either side so that I can pull it round into shape over a polystyrene head. That's it from the side, and that's it from the front, so you can see what it looks like. I'm then going to cover in one layer of Buckram. So I soak my Buckram, put it on, pin it on right into the head, and then wait for it to dry. And as you can see, I'm now taking it off the block. It's handy with the string because it keeps it in place. Although a bit later on I ended up cutting the string accidentally, so I'll have to put some more on now. This is where T-pins come in really handy because they push right into the block and keep it all firm. And then we're going to peel it off the head, peel it off the polystyrene. You don't need to put any covering on the polystyrene pool noodle. It doesn't stick, so that's good. So, and then you can pull your string up again to reuse it another time. And then I'm going to cut off where I'd pinned into the head. So I'm going to cut off all around the edge where I've pinned in. Now bear in mind, if you make a couple of these, you could make them different shapes. You could carve bits off the side, make them more flat on the front or the back or whatever you like. But this is the first attempt, so I'm sure there'll be more to follow. So I've cut it all the way round, and then I had to figure out how I was going to line it and fix it to the head. So, having had a little think, I thought, right, I shall fold over the edges. So I folded over the edges all the way round, just slightly, so that I've got something to then put some wire into. And I've decided to make a wire headband that will go all the way around and come down out either side in a loop, so that it can be manipulated to fit any size head then, really. This is slightly thicker wire than I would have liked, but I'm running short. So what I've done is I've got two loops at the end which will come out of the hat, and then the wire will go down either side, and I'm going to stitch that in. But first I've got to join the two ends of the wire. So I work out where they're going to join, and then I'm going to join them. And I'm using PTFE tape. It's called PTFE tape. It's often used by florists. Now, it's sort of a plasticky tape, but it sticks to itself. You don't have to, it's not gluey, it's just plasticky. It will stretch and stick to itself, and you can wrap it round and then just squeeze it with your fingers, and it holds everything in place. So I use it quite a lot for wire. So that's it, my headband is done and it's in, and I'm just going to stitch, not all the way through the hat, unless I have to. So I'm going to stitch it in, and there you have it already. And then I've got to figure out what to do next. So I realised I'm going to use some brown material, and the white would show through, and I didn't really have anything to cover it with. So I've sprayed the base in gold, because I thought it would look quite nice through the brown pleated chiffon that I've got here that I'm going to use to cover it. So I thought the gold would be a bit iridescent. Now I had to figure out how to line it. And first off, I decided, oh, well, I'll cut a piece of felt. And I'll cut a piece of felt to fit inside. But I hated that. It looked awful. So what I did instead was I put a piece of Buckram over my polystyrene head again, stretched it on, waited for it to dry, and then I penciled the shape of the halo, and then cut that to shape, This was all a bit Heath Robinson at first. I wasn't sure how I was going to do it. So having had a think overnight, I thought, aha, I had a light bulb moment. Why didn't I do this in the first place? So I've cut that to fit, but it's too big. So I'm going to cut about half an inch, quarter of an inch, half an inch off all the way around the edge. It's better to cut too little and then do it again rather than cut too much, because you still need enough to be able to stitch to the side of the fabric of the halo. So there we are. Then I pressed it on a block, just ironed it nice and flat and smooth. And then I covered it in fabric. Don't forget to cover the inside curve. You don't want to cover the outside curve, you want to cover the inside curve. And what I did was I actually glued it because I didn't want to stitch it and see that stitching as well as the stitching that I'm stitching it to the hat with. So then I put it back into position, stitched carefully with small stitches all the way round. You can see here. And there it is, it's done. Now what I will do probably is wrap some ribbon just around the ends, because they're a bit, they could do with it, but I'm not going to do that now. But anyway, the hat is finished. I'm quite pleased with it. I've just got to decorate it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you subscribe, and I look forward to making the next video for you. Thanks very much. Bye.